Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3 from exercise 11.2 chapter 11 perimeter and area. Now in question number 3 you will see a table. In this table you will see that some base, height and area of the parallelograms at the 3 columns are there. Some row you will see that base is given, height is missing and area of the parallelogram is given. Next question I have said, you can see that base is missing, height and area of the parallelogram is given. These two are given, and last one, base and area of the parallelograms are given. You have to find the height. So the same formula you are using here. You know that for this sum you need a rough work also. For this first one, question number A. Here base is given 20, height is missing. You need to find the height and area of the parallelogram is given. You know a rough work also you need to show here. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. So base into height is equal to area of a parallelogram. Value of base is 20 centimeters. So use 20 into h. 20 into h is equal to 246. H is equal to 246 by 20 divided by 2. 10 2 10s are 20, 2 1 are 2, 2 2s are 2 3s are. Therefore, h is equal to 1 2 3 by 10, that means 12.3 centimeter. So in this place you will write height is 12.3 centimeter. It was missing and now you have find out it. Next one, same way, the question is question number B. Here height is given and area of the parallelogram is given. That means if you divide area of the parallelogram by height, you will get the base. Same question number B. Base into height is equal to 154.5 centimeter square. Now base is missing, so base is equal to base into 15 is equal to 154.5. Therefore base is equal to 154.5 by 15. Cancel it and you will get the value of the base. Now if you divide it by 15, what you will get here? 154.5. 15 ones are 15. 4 is here. Now you can't divide 4, so 15 zeros are 0. 4, then point you will take here and 5 will come down. 10.3, 45. So subtraction result is 10.3. So what will be the base here? Base is equal to 10.3. In this question number B, base will be 10.3 centimeter. It was missing. In question number D, same way only. You have to divide this and this. Question number D, 16.38. You are finding the height. You know that base into height. Height is equal to area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram by height by base. Base is given here. So area of the parallelogram 16.38 divided by 15.6. Now this point you are removing in this way 100 because after point 2 decimal places were there. So 2 zeros, and from here the point will go in the numerator. So into 10. Now divide it, 0, 0, 0 cancelled out. If you divide this one, you will get 10.5. So 10.5 by 10, again you are dividing it by 10, so the result will be 1.05 centimeter. So the result is 10.5 centimeter. Sorry, 1.05. I have 10 but not 1.05. It is 1.05 centimeter. I hope the sum will be easy for you. Complete it, students. Thank you.